How to add location filters on Snapchat. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Snapchat and then take a snap. After that, in order to add location filter, first make sure your location in your device is turned on. After that, tap on this third icon, that is sticker icon, and go to location. Wait for it to load and your location will appear over here. Simply search your location and tap on it. Wait for it to load and done. It will appear like this. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one. So first, launch your Snapchat and then take a snap. After that, in order to add location filter, first make sure your location in your device is turned on. After that, tap on this third icon, that is sticker icon, and go to location. Wait for it to load and your location will appear over here. Simply search your location and tap on it. Wait for it to load and done. It will appear like this. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.